We see Mariam, 17, standing before a half-packed suitcase. Her fingers trace over carefully chosen outfits, a camera, a journal, treasures meant for the school trip of her dreams. But today, those dreams lie dormant. Picture a moment when your heart was set on something so completely that it felt written in the stars. For Mariam, it was the annual Shakespeare Festival in Stratford, 3 days of theater, workshops, and freedom. She had planned for months, counting down the days like precious gems. But life, as Shakespeare himself knew well, delights in plot twists. Instead of boarding a bus with her classmates this morning, Mariam faces a different stage. Her desk, laden with textbooks for an unexpected exam that cannot be postponed. The irony isn't lost. Here she sits, writing about the very playwright whose festival she's missing. The irony isn't lost. Here she sits, writing about the very playwright whose festival she's missing. Tears threaten to stain her paper, but there's something profound happening beneath the disappointment. We humans are curious creatures. We live in constant negotiation with tomorrow, trading today's moments for future promises. We say, "I'll be happy when," or "once this is over," as if life is something that happens later, not now. But watch Mariam's pen move across the paper. In her essay about Shakespeare's views on time and destiny, she's discovering something universal. Through her disappointment, she's learning what the bard knew so well, that life isn't a future to be claimed, but a present to be lived. Each breath, each heartbeat, each seemingly ordinary moment, these are not the prelude to life. They are life itself. The festival Mariam missed wasn't just about Shakespeare. It was about escape, about the promise of something more exciting than the present. But as her pen fills the page, she's writing more than an exam answer. She's writing her way toward understanding that tomorrow's adventures, however glittering, shouldn't dim the light of today's small victories. And so, like countless characters in Shakespeare's plays, Mariam learns that destiny often speaks most clearly in moments of disappointment. And so, like countless characters in Shakespeare's plays, Mariam learns that destiny often speaks most clearly in moments of disappointment. Her missed festival becomes not just a lost opportunity, but a gained wisdom, that life's sweetness lies not in what might be, but in what is. In the end, perhaps the greatest journeys aren't the ones we plan, but the ones that plan themselves for us, teaching us to find poetry not just on distant stages, but in the quiet drama of our everyday lives.